With that, let's get you more breaking updates coming in. The Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has slammed Prime Minister Narendra Modi for being absent from the all-party meeting that was held after the terror attack in Pahalgam. In fact, Mallikarjun Kharge has said that the Prime Minister had preferred to address an election meeting in Bihar instead of attending the all-party gathering. He said it was the nation's misfortune that the Prime Minister was delivering an election speech when other political leaders were deliberating on the response to the terror attack.
इस कठिन समय में हम सब एक होकर सरकार के जो भी एक्शन होंगे उसको हम कोऑपरेट करेंगे, लेकिन हमारे देश की बदकिस्मती है सब पार्टी के लोग आए, लेकिन उस मीटिंग में मोदी जी नहीं आए। ये शर्म की बात है। देश के स्वाभिमान को जब धक्का हो रहा, आप बिहार में चुनावी भाषण करते हो और यहां पर दिल्ली में नहीं आ सकते आप। बात तो बड़े बड़े करते हो, मेरी 56 इंच आती है। ये ऐसा ये बीजेपी और प्रधानमंत्री का ये एटीट्यूड है।
My colleagues Niyamika and Yavar are joining us on the broadcast with the details. Niyamika, Mallikarjun Kharge raising the Prime Minister's absence from the all-party meeting. What's the truth? And the Congress party saying that it's most unfortunate that the Prime Minister was not present at the all-party meeting when the leaders were deliberating on what the response of the country should be.
We need to understand that this is the political tactics of the Congress party while maintaining its stand upon the nationalism. As on one side, the Congress party is saying that the entire country is united, we are standing with the government of India, while on the other side, they are also trying to target the government of India regarding this entire matter. As we have seen that how various leaders from the Congress party have started raising questions upon Prime Minister Narendra Modi's absence in the all-party meeting, and it was being started by none other than Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge on the very same day when this all-party meeting had taken place. And now once again it is Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge who has targeted upon Prime Minister Narendra Modi by saying that it is basically the misfortune of our country that Prime Minister Narendra Modi was addressing a rally when the entire country was in grief because of the Pahalgam terror attack, as he has also challenged Prime Minister Narendra Modi by giving an example of the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, by saying that he himself had gone there to Kashmir. He had met the injured people there in the state, in Jammu Kashmir. But on the other side, the priorities of the BJP government and the priorities of Prime Minister Narendra Modi is upon the elections. And for that reason, he has also said that when the entire country was standing united, when the opposition leaders were expecting that the government of India, when Prime Minister Narendra Modi will brief them about the entire situation and what action will be taken by the government in the upcoming days, at that point of time he had preferred to address an election rally at that point of time. So clearly we can say that this is the political tactics of the Congress party for targeting upon the BJP government in a manner in which they can also maintain their stand upon the nationalism, because they are saying that this is about the national security, and at this point of time we don't need to do any kind of politics. But on the other side, we have also seen that how they are continuously targeting upon Prime Minister Narendra Modi for his absence in the all-party meeting, stating that it is very much needed that the government of India would first brief the opposition leaders about their future plan, that what action they are going to take, because the entire opposition is standing united. We have also seen that how the various Congress leaders have made certain controversial remarks, and yesterday only it was the Congress party which has completely distanced itself from all of these statements which are being made by various Congress leaders, including Mr. Saifuddin Soz or Tariq Hamid Kara or Mr. Vijay Vallabh. All of these leaders who had made the controversial remarks regarding the Pahalgam terror attack, Congress party has officially taken a line and completely distanced itself from this entire statement, saying that they have no right to make any such kind of comments, because the official line of the Congress party was regarding when the CWC resolution was being passed
Absolutely,
after
and
the Pahalgam
Yamika,
terror
also
attack.
to put things into perspective, like you've been pointing out as well, while on one hand the Congress party has raised questions on the Prime Minister, he had cut short his Saudi visit, had come to the country and had immediately held a meeting with the top leaders, with the officials to look at what the response of India should be. More importantly, for the Congress party, while it says that it has been deliberating on what should be done next, why is there no action that has been taken against its own leaders? Yawar, there are several Congress leaders who have been not just talking about having conversations with Pakistan despite the carnage that we witnessed in Pahalgam, but there are also several Congress leaders who have even doubted the versions of the survivors, and yet the Congress has not acted on the same.
Well, exactly. It has triggered a fresh political storm after several of the Congress leaders doubted on the perspectives that has unfolded in the Pahalgam. Now, from holding the talks with the Pakistan, that is a statement that came in from one of our Congress leader from the Kashmir, to the national wide, it has been widely condemned by the BJP all across, saying that one can't even imagine at this point in time to really raise a question or pointing out towards this mishap that has unfolded previous week in the Pahalgam. Given the fact of the understanding, if we talk about the politics that's gaining the ground, yesterday we heard the National Conference President Dr. Farooq Abdullah saying that the country, the Kashmiris, they have threw two nation theories into the water in 1947, and that too he clarified that yes, he was in a favor of holding the talks with the Pakistan, but this time he is with the central government and he wants central government to act very tough against those preparators who have done this carnage in the Pahalgam, and to prevent such future actions in the future as well. So you heard from the Congress, you heard from the PDP, you heard from the BJP and elsewhere, but this statement from the National Conference is somewhere that gave a sense of unity with the BJP, with the central government in fighting against the anti-national elements across the countries which have done this carnage in the Pahalgam previous week. Back to you.
Absolutely. And why deny the truth? That's the question, because survivors have spoken about what happened. There is video evidence of what happened in Pahalgam, and yet the Congress party has decided to give a clean chit to Pakistan, and yet the party has refused to take any action against these senior leaders of the party who have made these statements. Yawar and Yamika, thank you for joining us with those details. With that, it's time for us to slip into a very short break here, but don't go anywhere. We'll be right back with lots more on the other side.